Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-L2640DW printer driver and download and installation. So guys, first open any browser and Google search box. To after that in the result, this is support.brother.com. This is officially website. Just click on it and click to Windows, and the Windows 10 32-bit 64-bit server also there, and then click to OK. This is first easy setup, and second the full driver and software pack. Now this is a printer driver and scanner with a USB. Just click on it. So before doing that, need to restart and need to start your printer, connect to USB to your computer and your laptop. Then slow down, click to agree to download. After that it will start downloading. 44.9 MB. This is total size. Now click on this icon. After that right click to open this, otherwise you can enter and just double click. After that it will create new folder. Okay, so this is your printer driver. Then minimize it, click to start, go to setting. Now this is the installations process. Then click to Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner, click to add device. After that it will show the manual options. Add printer, add device manually, click to local and then next, and then click have a disk, click to browse, go to download options, open this which is extract and created, select this inf.file, then click to OK, then next, back and select your printer 2640 DW, and then next. Now your printer is installing. After that next, finish. So you can see this is your printer. Okay, and after the installations and before the printing, you have to restart your system, your computer, laptop and printer also. And after that click to test print and print any document. Thank you.